turn to scroll inside. Stars align a cosmic